Hi, this is Ram Kumar and welcome to Essential Bollywood Vocabulary. This is going to be a long episode, but it will be a useful episode. This scene is about the actual court battles of the present day that happen and how they are depicted in Bollywood and other places. So, we are going to cover a lot of words related to the real courts of the modern era. So, beginning with that, the name for court is Adalat. For the Hindi lovers, it is Nyayalay. So, that is the meaning of the word Adalat. That means Nyayalay. And in Adalat, the prosecution and defense go at each other and do a samna. The language of Urdu calls it samna, and for the Hindi lovers, it is called mutbhed. The person who argues on behalf of the state or the accused is called a vakil. There is no other word for a vakil in Hindi. So vakil is vakil because the Hindi was a language of villages, and there were no vakils there. There were only gram panchayats. So there are no vakils in Hindi. So the word vakil is a imported word. Then there is the police sheriff or the police leader who gives witness, and he is called the daroga. Then there is the muzrim. The muzrim is the culprit of the entire case. So that person is called the muzrim. And on top of the muzrim, they lay the ilzam. For the Hindi lovers, ilzam means guna. So the muzrim has ilzam or guna. There is a lot of movies in which the hero or the protagonist कानून को हाथ में ले लेता है. That means he takes the law into his own hands, and that is vigilante justice or a kangaroo court. And we are not going to touch upon that. I'm talking about mainstream court. So, what is the word for justice? That is insaf in Urdu, and in Hindi it is called nyay. And insaf has the two things that it can be used as a noun and it can be used as a verb. So insaf milna means you got insaf, that is a noun, and then insaf karna is actually insaf is used as a verb. So the day of insaf is called nirnay ka din in Hindi for the Hindi lovers. And the Adalat gives lots of dates. Dates are called tarikhs. Tarikhs are called din in Hindi for the Hindi people. And the opposite of insaf is the word na insaf, which is anyay or injustice. Then we come to the word galat fehmi, which is very common. Galat fehmi is a misunderstanding, or as I already told you, na samajh, that is galat fehmi. Then there is a word khuni, that means a murderer, that is also known as katil. And when you are in Adalat, they say that you have to bring the sabut. So the word for sabut in Urdu is peshkash. So they would say आपकी पेशकश क्या है और सबूत को पेश किया जाए. So that is peshkash. And the Adalat will give often a penal punishment to the culprit, and that is called saza. And that is also known in Hindi as dand. And saza-e-maut is capital punishment. So I think capital punishment still exists a little bit in some states in India. I don't know if it's completely removed. And your honor, your lord, etc., which was the traditional way of addressing the Nyayadhish in Hindi, or the Qazi or the judge in Urdu. You can call him Sahab, that works. You don't have to go, Your Honor. And there is a person called Gawah. Gawah is a witness. So in Hindi they call it Aankhon Dekha, somebody who has witnessed. Aankhon Dekha means the truth you saw with your eyes. So that's the Aankhon Dekha Hal, and that person is called Gawah. And the wakils will take their tankha from you. We already have covered it. It's a business, it's a work, it's a job. They take the tankha, and that is the fees. And then there is a word called Tawheen Karna. That is, you are in contempt of the court, or you are not giving samman to the court. So that is the word called Tawheen. And there's a word called Bardasht Karna. So when you are in the court, a lot of things will be told against you. So you have to do the Bardasht. And Bardasht in Hindi lovers is Sahan Karna, or for the English people it is tolerate. And we already discussed about the word Mamla, which is the matter in hand or the Vishay in Hindi. So I'm not going to go much about the Mamla. And you have to do some Salah Mashwara before you enter into the court, with which you call the counsel. You sit with the counsel, tell him what the truth is. You plea bargain, you do a deal. So that is called Baatcheet or Sabak Lena. And then there is this date of Sunwai, as I already mentioned. Insaf is Nirnay. So the day the Sunwai happens, Sunwai is the day the justice is finally given. That's called Sunwai. And then Chhoot Dena, which is actually Hindi, or Chhod Dena, or Riha Karna, which is in Urdu, is actually releasing some person. You can also call releasing a person, not because he is a culprit or anything, but you can just you get a presidential pardon for that person, a pardon, and then you release the person, and that is called Maafi. Then there is a word called Farebi, which we have already discussed, means a false person. There are a lot of Hindi words, jhoota or thagi or dakat or so on. And everybody has to swear on some book, constitution maybe, or their favorite religious or scientific or whatever book it is. They have to swear on the book and take a qasam before they give the gawah. And that particular thing is called shapat in Hindi, or an oath in English. And a person can be released without any charge seeking to him, and they call that as a Baizat Bali, a person who has been released without any charges. So that's Baizat Bali. So this is all I have from essential Bollywood vocabulary that is used in courts of law in the modern age. So you can see a variety of such movies. Oh My God, Jolly LLB, Jolly LLB 2 are some of the latest court dramas. Or you can watch a national award winning Damini, which has all these and probably much more words than I can cover. Thanks a lot for spending your time. And this is Essential Bollywood Vocabulary, and this is Ram Kumar signing off. Thank you.